Are you tired of struggling with bills and looking for a way to turn your passion into profit? To kick things off, let's identify the hobbies that could potentially earn you money. This process begins with a bit of self-reflection and exploration. Start by making a list of your interests and activities you enjoy. Think about the things that make you lose track of time, the activities that bring you joy and satisfaction. Think about what you love doing in your free time. Whether it's painting, gardening, reading, or any other activity, these hobbies can be a great starting point. Next, evaluate which of these hobbies have market potential. Research the demand for these activities. Look into market trends and see if there is a growing interest in your hobby. For instance, crafting can lead to selling handmade items. Platforms like Etsy and local craft fairs can be great places to start. By recognizing the right hobby, you're one step closer to monetizing your passion. Remember, the key is to find something you love and see how it can fit into the market. With dedication and creativity, your hobby can become a rewarding venture. You need to hear this if you're a hobbyist looking to make money. Now that you've identified your hobby, it's time to assess its market demand. Start by using online tools like Google Trends to gauge interest and see how popular your hobby is. Understanding your target audience is crucial. Consider who would be interested in your products or services. Platforms like Etsy and eBay are great examples where you can explore similar offerings and see what sells well. By researching market demand, you'll be better equipped to tailor your approach and maximize your chances of success. Additionally, don't forget to use social media platforms to see what people are talking about and what's trending. Engaging with online communities can provide valuable insights and help you stay ahead of the curve. Finally, consider attending webinars and online courses to deepen your understanding of market research techniques. With thorough research, you'll be well prepared to turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your thoughts below. Stay tuned until the end for the best content. If you're a hobbyist, then you need to hear this. To successfully monetize your hobby, developing a simple business plan is essential. This plan will serve as your roadmap, guiding you through each step of your business journey. It helps you stay focused and organized. A business plan is not just a document, it's a strategic tool that can help you navigate the complexities of starting and running a business. It provides clarity and direction, ensuring that you are always aware of your goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Start by defining your goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to make a certain amount of money, reach a specific audience, or perhaps expand your skills? Clearly outlining your goals will give you a sense of direction and purpose. Think about both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might include initial sales targets or launching your first product, while long-term goals could involve expanding your product line or reaching a broader market. Having both types of goals will help you stay motivated and provide a clear path forward. Next, consider budgeting. Outline potential costs involved, such as materials, marketing, and platform fees. It's crucial to have a realistic understanding of your expenses to avoid any financial surprises. Break down your budget into categories to get a clear picture of where your money will go. This might include costs for raw materials, shipping, website maintenance, and advertising. Don't forget to factor in any hidden costs that might arise, such as taxes or unexpected fees. A well-planned budget will help you manage your finances effectively and ensure that your business remains profitable. A basic business plan could include sections like an executive summary, target market analysis, and financial projections. The executive summary provides a snapshot of your business idea, while the target market analysis helps you understand who your customers are and what they need. Financial projections will give you an idea of your potential earnings and help you plan for future growth. Additionally, consider including a marketing strategy that outlines how you plan to reach your target audience. This could involve social media marketing, email campaigns, or collaborations with influencers. A comprehensive business plan will cover all aspects of your business, providing a solid foundation for success. For example, you might set a goal to sell 50 handmade items in your first month. This specific target will help you measure your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. Setting measurable goals allows you to track your success and identify areas for improvement. It also provides a sense of accomplishment as you reach each milestone. Remember to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, as they are all steps towards your ultimate goal. By having a clear plan, you'll be better prepared to turn your passion into profit. A well-thought-out business plan not only helps you stay on track, but also makes it easier to communicate your vision to potential investors or partners. It shows that you are serious about your business and have taken the time to plan for its success. This can build confidence and trust with those who may want to support or invest in your venture. Ultimately, a business plan is a living document that should evolve as your business grows. Regularly review and update it to reflect new goals, market trends, and financial realities. This will ensure that your business remains dynamic and adaptable, ready to face any challenges that come your way. I bet you didn't know how powerful social media can be for your hobby-based business. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are powerful tools for reaching potential customers. Create engaging content that showcases your hobby, whether it's tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks, or finished products. For inspiration, look at successful hobbyists who have built strong brands, like crafters on Etsy or photographers on Instagram. By leveraging these platforms and sharing your passion, you can attract an audience and grow your business in no time. Consistency is key. Regularly update your social media profiles with fresh content to keep your audience engaged. Don't hesitate to invest in learning more about marketing strategies. Attend workshops, network with other entrepreneurs, and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Email marketing is another effective way to keep your audience informed and engaged. Send regular newsletters with updates, promotions, and valuable content. Celebrate your milestones and successes. Positive feedback and achievements can motivate you to keep pushing forward and refining your marketing efforts. This is why you need a strong online presence for your hobby-based business. Setting up an online presence is crucial for your hobby-based business. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence can make or break your success. It's not just about being visible, it's about being accessible and engaging to your audience. Start by creating a website or social media profiles to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. Your website acts as your digital storefront, while social media platforms allow you to interact with your audience on a more personal level. Choose platforms that align with your target audience and the nature of your hobby. Ensure your online store is user-friendly. Include clear navigation, high-quality images, and easy checkout options. A seamless user experience can significantly impact your sales and customer satisfaction. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, as many users will access it from their smartphones. Additionally, engage with your audience through regular updates, such as blog posts or social media stories, to keep them informed and interested. Consistent content keeps your audience coming back for more and helps establish your brand's voice and personality. Share behind-the-scenes looks, tutorials, and personal stories to create a deeper connection. By building a strong online presence, you'll enhance your visibility and foster a loyal community around your hobby. Engaging with your audience through comments, messages, and interactive content can turn casual visitors into dedicated followers. Encourage user-generated content and testimonials to build trust and authenticity. Analyzing your website traffic and social media engagement can provide valuable insights into your audience's preferences. Use analytics tools to track which content performs best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Understanding your audience's behavior helps you tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. Utilize SEO tools to optimize your content, making it easier for potential customers to find you online. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally into your website and social media posts. SEO is an ongoing process, so regularly update your content to stay relevant in search engine rankings. Consider implementing email marketing campaigns and promotional graphics to further engage your audience and drive sales. Email marketing allows you to reach your audience directly with personalized messages, special offers, and updates. Design visually appealing graphics to capture attention and convey your brand's message effectively. Hosting live streams and interactive sessions can also help you connect with your audience in real time, building stronger relationships. Live interactions provide an opportunity for immediate feedback and foster a sense of community. Use these sessions to showcase new products, answer questions, and share your expertise. Celebrate your milestones and show appreciation to your customers, as this fosters loyalty and encourages repeat business. Acknowledge your customers' support through thank you messages, special discounts, or exclusive content. Celebrating achievements together strengthens the bond between you and your audience. Regularly update your website with new products and share customer testimonials to keep your content fresh and engaging. Highlighting customer reviews and success stories adds credibility and encourages new visitors to make a purchase. Keep your content dynamic to maintain interest and excitement. Remember, a strong online presence not only boosts your business but also allows you to enjoy and share your passion with a wider audience. Embrace the journey of building your online presence and take pride in the community you create. Your passion and dedication will shine through, attracting like-minded individuals who share your enthusiasm. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment your thoughts below. Stay tuned until the end, as the best content is yet to come. Your feedback helps us create better content for you, and we can't wait to hear what you think. This is going to blow your mind. Now, let's explore various ways to effectively monetize your hobbies. You can sell products such as handmade crafts or artwork, offer services like photography sessions or tutoring, or even dive into affiliate marketing by promoting products you love. For example, a blogger might earn through affiliate links while sharing their passion for cooking. It's essential to experiment with multiple income streams to find what works best for you. By diversifying your monetization strategies, you can maximize your earnings and enjoy your hobby even more. Another great way to monetize is by creating online courses or hosting webinars to share your expertise. You can also write ebooks or design digital products to sell online. Building a strong online presence and engaging with your audience can also open up sponsorship opportunities. Keep track of your progress and adjust your strategies based on what resonates most with your audience. Ultimately, the key is to find joy in what you do while making it profitable. I don't think people understand how challenging it can be to turn a hobby into a profitable venture. Monetizing your hobby can come with its share of challenges, such as time management and facing competition. These challenges can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to turn a passion into a profitable venture. It's not uncommon to feel stressed or even question your decision to pursue this path. However, it's important to remember that every successful person has faced similar hurdles. The key is to stay focused and not let these obstacles deter you from your goals. It's important to maintain a positive mindset and stay persistent in overcoming these obstacles. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help you manage stress and keep a clear head. Taking a few minutes each day to meditate can significantly improve your mental well-being. Writing down motivational quotes or affirmations can serve as daily reminders of your goals and the reasons you started this journey in the first place. These small practices can build resilience and keep you motivated even when things get tough. Set realistic goals and create a schedule that allows you to balance your hobby with other responsibilities. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Use tools like planners or digital calendars to keep track of your progress and deadlines. This not only helps in staying organized, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you tick off each task. Remember, it's okay to adjust your goals as you go along. Flexibility can be a crucial factor in maintaining your momentum. Additionally, don't hesitate to seek support from online communities or forums where fellow hobbyists share their experiences and advice. These communities can be a great source of inspiration and practical tips. Engaging with others who are on a similar journey can provide a sense of camaraderie and reduce feelings of isolation. You might find that others have faced the same challenges and can offer solutions you hadn't considered. By connecting with others, you can gain valuable insights and encouragement to help you navigate any setbacks you encounter. Networking with like-minded individuals can open up new opportunities and provide different perspectives on how to tackle challenges. Attending community events or workshops can also be beneficial. These gatherings often provide a platform to learn from experts and peers alike. Remember, the journey of monetizing your hobby is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from others can make all the difference in achieving your goals. I don't think people understand how easy it is to turn a hobby into a profitable business. Remember, the key is to take action. Identify your hobby, research market demand, and create a solid business plan. Don't forget to market your passion and establish a strong online presence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Also, be sure to check out our related content on the channel or website for more tips and inspiration on monetizing your hobbies. Take the first step today and turn your passion into profit. With dedication and the right strategy, you can achieve success. Stay motivated, keep learning, and adapt to changes in the market. Your journey to monetizing your hobby starts now. Good luck!